Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reformer Adewole. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to notify you for more videos from me. So let's get started. Today I'm going to give you two apps which you can make dollar every day. First app is Earning Gain. In Earning Gain, once you register, they are going to give you 5,000 coins, which is equal to $5. How are you going to make money in this app? You don't need to do anything than just earn your data. It's your data they are going to be sharing, and they will be giving you reasonable price. Once your coins reach 20,000, which is equal to $20, you can withdraw your money through PayPal. You will find the link in the description below or in the comment section. Kindly go through the link and register. Make sure you use my referral code. Second app is Hotnik. In this app, there are a lot of movie, actor, actress and game and so on in this app. So what they need you to do is just to follow them and get points. By getting points, once your points reach 10 points, you will redeem it to cash, which is dollar, and once you reach $5, you can withdraw it into your PayPal account or Paytm account. They are also offering referral program, so you can refer people and make more money. What you will need to get started in this one, you don't have to pay any money before you can start. It's free. Just click on the link below to download the app and use my referral code to register and start making money with it. You can see the link and referral code in the description below or in the comment section. You can check my own account as proof. I make this video because of those that said they don't have money to start the whole daily platform and dataway platform that I have already posted before. So with this, you don't have any excuse to begin making money online. Hope this was helpful. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for more videos from me. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.